Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making vegetable soup, also known as Edikaikong, and let's just get right into the video. I have some already washed snails, and this is what my snails are. I'm just going to cut them into two and use. And I have my fresh chicken that is already washed. So I have my water leaf and my Ugwu leaf as well. So this is what my water leaf looks like. It's already chopped, and this is my Ugwu leaf. It's already chopped and washed as well. So these are the additional things I'm going to be using: some stockfish, some smoked fish, some bonnet. I also have some dried fish as well. These are my snails. And I also have some crayfish which I'll be adding into it as well. This is my crayfish. I'm going to be using lots of crayfish for this soup. And here is me actually seasoning my meat, just so let's get it to cook before we start cooking the soup. Now I'm using some mixed seasoning for it. So I'm just going to add my onion, my chopped onion, to the pot, and then I will add my garlic as well. And after that I will just cover a bit just for it to steam up before I add some water to help in cooking the meat. Now my meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and this is what it's looking like. It's properly cooked. So I will just take this down and switch my pot, because this pot is a little too small for the soup. So once the soup is ready, I will switch it. So now guys, I'm back, and I have added some of the meats I cooked previously and some meat stocks as well. So I'm just going to add all my washed Mary, my fresh fish, bonnet, snail, my stockfish. I'm just going to add all of them into the pot, and yeah, I will cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So this is some dried fish as well, which I washed. With vegetable soup, is always good to have so many options in your vegetable soup. So I'm just going to stir this, and I will cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to be adding some crayfish as well. This is the quantity of crayfish I'm using. It's a lot. I might still add more later, I don't know. I'm just going to add that, and I will add my pepper. I will also add my grinded red pepper as well. So I will leave the description of the peppers I use in the description box below. I'm also going to be adding some fresh pepper as well. So but yeah, I'm just going to stir this a little bit. Stir it a little bit. So now guys, I'm going to be adding some palm oil. This is the palm oil I'm using. If you guys notice, I'm using very little water, just because with vegetable soup you don't have to use so much water at all. When you look at everything, it just seems like there's no water in it, but there is very little water in it. So I'm just going to add my seasoning cube, and once I'm done adding all that, I will cover the pot and let it cook. So guys, my meat has been cooking now. You can see the water and the oil, so you can see why I use less water in it. So I'm just going to start cooking. First of all, I will add my water leaf and I will let that cook a bit. I'm not using a whole lot of water leaf, but if you're someone who likes water leaf, you can use a whole lot. I'm just going to cover this up and let it cook for a bit. It has cooked now. I'm just going to stir this before I add my washed ugu leaf. Guys, look at how our soup is coming together now. So guys, I'm adding more seasoning cube just because I didn't add previously, so I'm just adding more just for an extra taste. I'm going to stir this properly before I add my vegetable leaf. So now guys, I'll be adding my ugu leaf. This is my already washed ugu leaf. Edikaikong is one of the fastest soup you can cook, and you can choose to either put periwinkles or not, but I wasn't feeling like putting periwinkles anyways. So yeah, I'm just going to stir this now, and yeah, our soup is practically ready. After 5 minutes, I'm just going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes before I bring it down and serve. So now guys, this is what our soup is looking like. Rich vegetable soup that has everything you need inside. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and leave a comment down below. Thank you, and until I see my next one, bye guys.